आमच्या सगळ्यांचे आभार मानतात. इथल्या सरकार गोंयांत तेंचे भरपूर लक्ष असतं आणि कितें प्रॉब्लेम केन्ना आयल्यार फायनल अपीलेट बोर्ड आसा इतलें सांगतात देव बरें.
रक्षा मंत्र्याचे हे विधान ऐकूनच काँग्रेस पिकार झाल्या.
Is this what we are looking at from the Honorable Defense Minister, who says that he is the appellate authority for Goans to move all the problems to him and appeal to him and he will solve all issues? But what about defense of India? Is he solving the problems of defense? Is he an extra constitutional authority to say this? Has he usurped the right of even the Prime Minister, let alone the Chief Minister? He has usurped the right of the Chief Minister. We are Chief Minister-less, the appellate authority being RM Parrikar. He decides how to solve problems of Goa.
काही दिसा पयली पर्रीकार मुख्यमंत्री पार्सेकार बरे काम करता म्हणून उलयतालो. आता सीएम फायनल ऑथॉरिटी न्ही म्हूण पर्रीकाराक दिसता काय कितें म्हूण जितेंद्र देशप्रभून रक्षा मंत्र्याचेर फोग काडलो.
And he put Goans into problems and ran away from here and became a defense minister. Now it dawns on him, after having said that Goa has managed the issues pretty much well, this chief minister has done it, now he wants to belittle the chief minister, humiliate Goa government, and he wants to become the appellate authority. Where from? Has the nation given them as a defense minister or an appellate authority of Goa government problems? Let him spell it out. Let him make a public declaration that he has not been appointed so and apologize to the state of Goa, to the people of Goa, that he has inadvertently said what he has, we will accept.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळेकार.